When I moved to the UK, I made a decision to take my content creation hustle serious. And if you are into content creation, you would know that lighting is very important. Now, here is the problem. I moved here around September, which was winter, and it gets dark by 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So, filming outdoor was not much of an option for me. So, I knew I just had to invest in a proper light. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact type of light I bought and how I set it up to achieve this soft cinematic look you're seeing right now. So stay with me guys, because it took me a while to figure out what I am about to share with you. I actually saw lots of good reviews online about Neewer, and it was at that time that the social media oga just got something similar. So I decided to order one from Amazon. But then my husband, God bless him, he showed me another option. Same Neewer, but this one came with two soft boxes already attached for the same price. So I returned the first one and ordered this version instead. And honestly, I do not regret this decision for 1 second. Let me quickly show you what is inside the box, because in my opinion, this package comes with 100% value. You get two big LED lights, two soft boxes to soften the light and make your video look professional, two sturdy tripod stands, and two carrier bags, one for each light, which makes it so easy for you to pack up and take with you for outdoor shoots. I remember when this light got delivered, I went straight to YouTube to get a video that would help me achieve the perfect setup. There were lots of videos, but I did not see a single one that did justice to what I was looking for. So I just filmed this unboxing video you're watching right now, and it never made it to the gram. So fast forward to recently, I noticed that the quality of my video dropped. So I reached out to my creative assistant to ask what could possibly be wrong. And she said, let me walk you through how to set up your lights properly. Guys, that one call changed everything. So let me take you through how I achieved this soft cinematic look for my content step by step. The first thing is your light goes by your side, not in front of you. Yes, you need to place your light by the side, very close but not too close, in an angle that will make it reflect on your face. And this one change is what is going to give your video that soft cinematic look instead of a flat harsh look. You can use your left or your right, actually whichever one you prefer, just play around it. The second thing is to find the right brightness for your skin tone. Oh my god, this is so important. So the idea is to set up your lights and your camera and keep increasing the light until it blends beautifully with your skin tone. You will know when you eat it. Honestly, this step is very important, especially for those of us with a deeper skin tone. So take your time, don't rush it, just keep increasing and reducing, and be looking at the camera to see the points where the light blends in with your skin tone. And I think the color of outfits also matters here, but I'm not even going to go into that, because if you are into content creation by now, you should already know the outfits, like the color that blends with your skin tone. The third thing is to kill every other lights in the room. Turn off your TV, close out any lights that can be reflecting from somewhere else, because random lights will mess your color up, trust me. And you want these lights to be the boss. So the next thing is to use your soft box. Yes, this is the cover that sits over the light and it softens everything, so the light is not too harsh on your face. Trust me, before I did not know the usefulness of this soft box, but try to film a content with and without a soft box and you will see the difference. The fifth one is my little secret, and this is what makes the video get this warm, rich look. So the second light, I place it behind me. Yes, behind my chair or behind me, just to give the background a soft glow. And for that one, I switch it to the warm setting. That warm light in the background gives the whole shot a very rich, cozy, expensive look. Let me show you a clip right now so you can see the difference for yourself. Okay, let me quickly talk about the features of this light, but in a simple language, because I know that most of you are not techies. You just want a light that works fine. This is what is called a bicolor light. Yes, and all bicolor means is that it goes from warm to cool. The warm light gives you that cozy golden lamp-like glow, while the cool light gives you that bright, clean daylight look, like white. And you can also switch anywhere in between with a knob. The knob is behind the LED light. If you see anything like CRI 96 plus, don't let that scare you at all. In simple words, it means that colors show up true to life on your camera. That means your skin tone looks exactly like your real skin tone, and your outfit looks like its real color. For someone like me who cares a lot about how I look on camera, and I don't like my videos looking too colorful, this feature really matters a lot to me. This light is very bright. Yes, there are 660 tiny LED bulbs in each light, so it is more than enough to be your main source of light even in a dark room. And you get to adjust the brightness with the knob, just like I showed you earlier, until you achieve your desired results. And here is my favorite part of this light. It comes with an adapter, so you can plug it to the electricity, but it also have a slot for a battery. But the battery does not come with this package, you need to buy it separately. But once you have it, you can use this light outdoor without electricity, so your outdoor shoots, you are completely covered. So would I recommend this light? 100% yes. For the price, you are getting two lights, two soft boxes, two stands and two bags, and it has completely transformed my content. And the only reason why it took me so long to see results was because nobody taught me how to set it up properly. Now you know what took me months to learn. If you found this video helpful, the link to buy this exact light is right there in my description. Save this video so you can come back to it when your light arrives, and drop me a comment below. If you have any question, I'm happy to help always, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.